So guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, go to www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download the driver Gigabyte any devices. So you can see right hand side, just search bar, you just enter your model number of your motherboard, X870E AORUS XTREME AI top, and then hit enter. After that, you can see here the click on product. This is different AMD support and RAM also. So configuration sort there. Click on here on title on motherboard. After that, click on support. Then guys, select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 and 11. If you have a different like Windows 10, so you can follow this method to install this driver. Okay. Then USB. Now you can see USB driver and click to download. Then open USB drivers to double click on exe. Now you can see this line connector of USB's driver installing, and then closed.